Ever wondered how designers create this isometric hover effect in Figma?
Select the frame and set it to desktop mode. Type Isometric Grid. Change the font size and convert the text to uppercase. Right-click on the text and add Auto Layout. Add a black fill color and change the text color to white. Then press Enter to break the text into a second line. Make 2 more copies of this and set the frame size according to your design. On the last card, remove the space above and add space below by pressing Enter. Reduce the size of the first card by holding the Control key. Select the text and change the color to red. You'll notice there is no black background behind the text. So enable Clip Content. Select the other 2 cards, align them to the top left corner, and reduce their size.
Go to Figma Plugins and type Easometric.
Run the plugin.
Select the first card and run the Isometric Right option. Select the second card and run the Isometric.
Go to
Run the plugin.
Figma Plugins and type Easometric.
Top right option. Then adjust the card positioning. Select the third card and run the Isometric Right option. Now, select the second frame and change the alignment to bottom left. Select the third frame and change the alignment to bottom left as well. Change the second frame's text background to a slightly lighter color. Change the first frame's text background color to a gradient. Copy this gradient and apply it to the third frame's text. Make a new copy of the entire frame and drag it below. Select both frame layers and convert them into a frame selection. Go to Prototype. Set the interaction to while hovering. Choose Smart Animate and set the duration to 500 milliseconds. Now select the first frame and change its alignment to top left. Select the second frame and change its alignment to center left. Select the third frame and change its alignment to center left as well. Now play the prototype and see the results. Follow PX Mentor for more Figma tips, plugins, and UI design tricks.